Hi, this is John with WTI. And as always, trying to keep my meals convenient or even my snacks, this traveling size Fruit Loops are just great. This guy here is just a peel, a little bit of milk, or even if you want to do it on your own, like nothing added, it just does a great job. So while I'm between classes, I don't want to have a big meal. I'm trying to stay active because I know that if I have a big meal, automatically I'm gonna feel like I want to go and get a little bit of sleep. This guy here just does a great job for me. So the Fruit Loops, the sensation, the crunchy, not too high in sugar, but at the same time you're enjoying like a little cheat meal for me. Like I don't be eating too much sugar these days, but when I ever have a little craving or I want to switch it up or just not having only meal preps, this guy here just does a great option for me due to its convenience. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.